Hello, freelancers. Imagine working with the waves of the ocean in the background. In this section, we will be sharing with you some amazing freelance gigs that allow you to work from anywhere. Whether it's your cozy home or a tropical beach, get ready to find the ultimate work-life balance. In today's video, I want to share an exciting online opportunity for all you freelance language professionals out there. Let me introduce you to Continental Languages. With over 30 years of experience in the industry, this company has built an extensive database of interpreters and translators. Now, let's talk about how you can join their team. Simply click on the Join Our Team button, and it will take you to the page with all the details and application procedures you need. For those of you looking for more translation and interpretation opportunities, we have a PDF book that contains over 1,000 translation and interpretation jobs. It's available for purchase at ko-fi.com and also on amazon.com. Check the link in the description and take your skills to the next level. If you want to watch more videos like this, please check out this playlist.